Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and mouth-watering recipe in store for you guys. Chicken sesame tikka is so delicious and very easy to make. So without further ado, let's get cooking. First, start by marinating the chicken. To marinate properly, you have to make deep cuts to the chicken so the flavor can get in. Combine all the chicken pieces with 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Rub the paste generously inside the cuts you've made. Add 3 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons red chili Kashmiri powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix everything together until the chicken is well coated and allow it to marinate for around at least an hour to get those flavors inside. Chicken is marinated for an hour. Now we'll add around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Now mix until it's well coated. And here's the special twist to our sesame chicken, the sesame seeds. Sprinkle a generous amount of sesame seeds over the chicken. As it cooks, the sesame seed will add a wonderful nutty flavor and a delightful crunch to this dish. Let's move to the cooking process. Heat the wok with oil over medium heat for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add some curry leaves and marinated chicken pieces. And cook them until they are golden brown and cook through. This should take around 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your chicken pieces. Just look at this golden brown crispy texture of the chicken. It looks yummy, right? Repeat the process. This is the whole leg piece, so it will take around 20 minutes to fully cook through. You have to give around 10 minutes each side. Once your sesame chicken tikka is cooked to perfection, garnish it with some fresh tomatoes and cilantro for a pop of color. Now that's a wrap for today's recipe. I hope you enjoy learning how to make this flavorful chicken sesame tikka. If you try this recipe at home, don't forget to tag us on social media. Subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. #happy cooking with Haim Food.